as we move into integrated care or value-based purchasing, if you will, of services, I think the hospital administrators really need to better understand our patients. And that communication comes from nephrologists. So what do we know? We know that patients with kidney failure tend to be the sickest of the sick. Now, I know people say trauma patients are sick and ICU patients are sick, but our patients are ones that are frequently readmitted to the hospital. Indeed, a kidney patient is readmitted to hospitals approximately 1.5 times as frequently as a non-kidney patient. The other important aspect to an administrator is their length of stay is significantly longer than a non-renal patient. Generally about 0.5 to 0.7 days longer than a non-kidney patient. And of course, they're more costly. General statistics for our patients are about $2,600 more costly. So as an administrator looks at a cohort of patients, i.e. renal patients, you're looking at patients that are more costly, more complicated, and stay in the hospital longer. Those issues need to be focused on and addressed, and I think DaVita is well down the road of sharing information with administrators to help them better understand this.